So Amazon literally pays you to recommend products, and it doesn't even matter what they buy. If someone clicks your link and purchases anything within 24 hours, you earn a commission. That's why this is one of the easiest ways for beginners to start making money online. And here is a fun fact. Ever wondered why so many beauty influencers share their makeup looks with links to Amazon? They are not doing it for free.
Oh, no.
They are earning commissions through Amazon's affiliate marketing program. Let me show you how it works and how you can get started, whether you are an influencer or just a blogger. So there are two main ways to make money through Amazon's affiliate programs. First, for influencers, there is the Amazon Influencer Program. This is perfect if you're active on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Here is how it works. You create an Amazon storefront and you add your favorite products. Share links with your followers. Whenever someone clicks your link and buys any product within 24 hours, you earn a commission. It doesn't have to be the exact product you recommended. Amazon rewards you for bringing in the sale. Now let's talk about bloggers and those website owners. With the Amazon Associate program, you can embed affiliate links directly into your blog post, product reviews, or even email newsletters. This turns your blog or website into a 24/7 money-making machine. Plus, the same 24-hour rule applies here too. Any purchases they make after clicking your link earns you a commission. So whether you are sharing a product recommendation on social media or writing detailed reviews on your blog post about any product, Amazon has a program that works for you.
Awesome!
Okay, so now that you know how the program works, let's dive into the good stuff. 5 hacks to maximize your income as an Amazon affiliate. The first hack is to find your niche and stick to it. Don't just promote random products. Instead, focus on a specific audience. For example, instead of promoting electronics, focus on budget-friendly fitness gear. Narrowing your niche helps you stand out from the competition and attract a loyal audience. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs can help you research niches with high demand and low competition. 2. Next, let's talk about SEO, search engine optimization. If you have a blog or website, this is a must. Use targeted keywords like best product for audience in your titles and headlines. Include unique insights in your reviews that others might not have. For example, instead of saying this product is good, share why it solves problem for your audience. For a tip, tools like Ubersuggest or Answer the Public can help you find trending topics to write or post about. Hack number 3, social media. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest are gold mines for affiliate marketers. Post engaging content like top 5 gadgets under $50 or must-have fitness gear. Add your affiliate links in the bio, comments, or descriptions. TikTok especially is amazing for short, viral product reviews. And remember, if someone clicks your link and buys a completely unrelated product, you still earn the commission. Hack number 4 is often overlooked but super powerful. Email marketing. Build an email list by offering a freebie like a top Amazon deals cheat sheet in exchange for people subscribing. Then set up automated email campaigns to recommend products or share deals. This keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Finally, track everything. Use Amazon's dashboard to monitor your clicks and conversions. Also, tools like Google Analytics can show where your traffic is coming from. Once you know what's working, double down on it. A/B test different content styles, link placements, or even product categories to optimize your results. So here is the big question. Are you ready to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing? If you are an influencer, ask yourself, do I have enough followers engaging with my content? If the answer is yes, the Amazon Influencer Program is your golden ticket. For bloggers or website owners, is your site getting ready for traffic? Are your readers clicking on your content? If the answer is yes, the Amazon Associates Program can take your earnings to the next level. Affiliate marketing with Amazon isn't just a side hustle. It's your gateway to financial freedom for beginners. And here is the best part. It doesn't matter what products people buy. As long as they do it within 24 hours of clicking your link. This is why so many influencers like makeup creators share links to Amazon. They are earning commissions for purchases their followers make. If you're ready to start, drop your questions in the comments and I will help you launch your journey to passive income today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tips on making money online with Dave E-commerce.